Hello everyone, this is meteorologist Ryan Willis, and this is your weekly weather briefing for the week of January 30th through February 6, 2025 for North and Central Georgia. The week ahead will be mostly quiet, with the most active period coming tomorrow on Friday when showers will increase ahead of a weak cold front. While a couple of isolated thunderstorms are possible, mainly in central Georgia tomorrow, no strong or severe thunderstorms are expected. After that, very warm temperatures will persist all the way through next week, with values well above normal for early February. Dry weather will also largely persist, with only a chance for some light rain showers possibly returning in North Georgia by midweek next week. The daily threat outlook over the week ahead is reflective of the mostly quiet weather that we're expecting. Only Friday is annotated for the risk of showers and a couple of isolated thunderstorms in central Georgia. But again, no strong or severe thunderstorms are expected. Mostly we'll be looking at dry conditions beyond Friday, with temperatures remaining well above normal. Taking a brief look at the satellite imagery across the southeast this morning, we see mostly cloudy skies, and this will persist for most of us through the day today. Other than a few sprinkles that occurred across North Georgia this morning, will remain mainly dry through this evening before rain chances increase early Friday morning across northwest Georgia. Again, on Friday, we are expecting an increase in showers from west to east through the day ahead of a weak front that will be pushing into the area. You can see that on the right-hand side of the screen that conditions will remain fairly warm, with highs on Friday ranging from around 60 in far north Georgia to near 80 in our far southeastern areas. You can see on the left-hand side of the screen with the forecast model radar reflectivity regarding the rainfall timing that rain chances will increase early Friday morning in northwest Georgia and then spread eastward through the day ahead of the front. Again, rainfall totals will be fairly light on Friday, ranging from the lowest amounts under a quarter of an inch in our southern areas to a few areas in far north Georgia reaching over a half an inch when all is said and done. The temperature outlook over the week ahead is indicative of how much warmer than normal we're expecting things to be through next week, with highs more typical of April than early February. Low temperatures will remain well above freezing for the entire area, while highs will range from the 60s all the way up to near 80 degrees for parts of central Georgia by next week. Taking a quick look at the extended week 2 outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, we can see that probabilities favor warmer than normal temperatures through mid-February, while the precipitation outlook is more towards near normal across central Georgia to perhaps leaning above normal for precipitation across North Georgia through this time frame. All right, to wrap things up, again, a fairly quiet week ahead, with Friday bringing the most impactful weather, with showers increasing ahead of a weak cold front tomorrow. While a couple of isolated thunderstorms are possible, mainly in central Georgia, we're not expecting any strong or severe thunderstorms on Friday. Beyond that, very warm temperatures will persist through next week, with temperatures remaining well above normal for early February. Again, dry weather will largely persist after Friday, with perhaps a chance for some light rain showers returning by midweek next week. Thanks for listening to this week's weekly weather briefing for North and Central Georgia. If you need to get in touch with us, here are a number of ways to do so. Otherwise, we hope you have a great weekend and week ahead next week.